Hey, beautiful souls. I'm Jasmin, and today we will be going over camel pose. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Camel pose is an energizing and beneficial back bend that counteracts sitting and relieves lower back pain. Camel pose can open up and stretch the deep hip flexors while opening the chest to improve breathing. It can also strengthen the back muscles and improve posture and lower back pain. Camel pose can stretch and strengthen the thighs and arms, and stretch and stimulate the neck, throat, chest, and abdomen, all the way down to the pelvis, groin, thighs, and ankles. So, if you're looking for a pose that counteracts sitting and will benefit your whole body, then this is the video for you. So, let's begin. You will start kneeling on the mat. Make sure your knees are hip width apart and your thighs are at a 90-degree angle to the floor. The bottom of your feet should be facing upward with the top of your feet touching the floor. Place your palms on your outer thigh and push your pelvis forward as you lean back. Start to arch your back. Then, taking one hand at a time, place them on your heels or calves, whichever is more comfortable. Keep your arms straight. Press into your heels or calves to keep your balance and posture. Now we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now, to get out of the pose, slowly lift your body up one vertebrae at a time. Your head should be the last thing to come up. And that is how you do camel pose.